you are not open to change your mind and your approach to make pizza, this video, I'm sorry, is not for you. It's very important when we make pizza that we all think in the same way. And there is one thing that I believe you have to change in case you're not doing it already. You have to think in grams. So forget about any other way of measuring and start only thinking about grams. If you don't have it yet, I strongly recommend to buy one kitchen scale that has the possibility to select the units, where you can swap between grams and any other measurement system that you may use. For example, my kitchen scale has grams now, but you can easily swap clicking on the unit button to other measurement system. See here? Why? Well, it's easy. First of all, this will open a much more precise way of managing your ingredients. The other big change is that you finally can use with very easy way the baker percentages. Because as you know, when you make pizza, you want to use it. And you want to calculate all the ingredients starting from flour and then derive the percentage of other ingredients to calculate on the flour. And this is so easy to do in grams that I don't see any other way of measuring. Moreover, I strongly recommend you to have one kitchen scale that has precision up to the gram. And I also recommend to have this precision scale where you can measure it less than a gram, because this will make much easier to measure, for example, yeast. And as you know, in a lot of pizza recipes, you need to use a very small amount of yeast as well as small amount of salt, for example. So yes, start thinking in grams only when you make pizza. Follow for more pizza tips and you're welcome.